Hey everybody, welcome back to BlyleDev. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the coloring and styling of a text widget based off of a numbered argument. So I'm going to say if the number is less than 10, I want it to be red. And if the number is greater than 10, I want to change all my text to be equal to green. And so if you find this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe. The first thing that we're going to do is, in order to change the coloring of a text widget, we need to access the style property. So we're going to say text style, there we go, and then we're going to say color, and for now, while we set everything up, we're just going to say colors.green. And you'll see here, the text is now green. Now, I have this number here, and your number could be ever changing. Let's say you're taking in a probability, for example. So there's a lot of reasons why you might want to change this. And so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to set up a method, and I'm going to say color, get color. And you could pass in a numbered argument. You could have that number as part of your state. It doesn't really matter how you're getting it. We're just going to be basically returning a color with this function, and that's going to set the color property within text style. And so it's very simple. We could just say a simple, if number is less than 10, I want to return colors.red. And then otherwise, we know it's greater than 10 or equal to 10. I want to return colors.green. Now, if we look back at our pop-up, oh, there's one more thing I forgot to do here, kind of simple. In place of colors.green, we're going to actually reference getColor. And so what this is going to do is anytime that there's a change in state, it will update and rebuild all this, and it's going to look at the function getColor to set the color attribute for this text field. In the case that number is less than 10, it'll be red. In the case that it's greater than 10 or equal to 10, it'll be green. And so if we look here, it's red. If we change our number to, let's say 11, there we go, and it's green. Again, if you find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.